with me today is Brian Andrelzik. He is our Director of Design and Engineering and is really integral to the project for Ray Rush. So we're excited to be able to showcase and do a hard hat tour and just show you the progress of Ray Rush today. We're still putting the finishing touches on the ride, but we're happy to kind of show you what the ride is going to entail. We think it's going to be a perfect addition to Aquatica as Aquatica celebrates its 10th anniversary this year. What better way to celebrate your 10th birthday with a new thrilling attraction like Ray Rush. So we're going to just walk and stop at different parts of the site and just kind of talk a little bit as we go. And we're also going to be taking you up on the tower so you'll really get a great view of the entire attraction. So just a few housekeeping and safety reminders. This is a very active construction site. We have high reach equipment and vehicles moving in and out. Appreciate everybody's already armed with the hard hats. That's great. We just ask that you try to stay together as best you can, and then we'll kind of navigate you through the site as we move through. So again, we'll get through all of that, and if you have any follow-up questions after we kind of get through the tour, Brian and I would be happy to answer those. So we won't keep you in suspense any longer. We're gonna walk through the back area here through the park and head to the site. Sound good? All right, guys, let's do it.
Wrapped up and ready to launch the slide. So this one right here behind you, this is Ray Rush. This replaces the Moon Run and black pool that we had before. So we'll have our old favorite Wahal Wave and Ray Rush with it. So what you're seeing here is a lot of back-of-house work. This is our expanded pump pit. We have a lot more pumps and piping in this slide. It's a little different than the before slide. We're not going to have, say, the water injection at the top and the water. Getting wrapped up here so we can put some water in guys.
Alright guys, if you want to move on, we're going to go underneath this slide. It gives you a good underbelly view, and we're going to just talk about the ride itself. The shape of a giant manta ray. So riders will come shooting out of this 10-foot diameter tunnel down into the half pipe, and they will oscillate and slide up and down the walls of the half pipe before they transition into the third and final part of the slide, which has some other unique features. You'll see some lighter colored stripes on the fiberglass as you move down. Those stripes will allow massive daylight coming through the slide. And this way, it gets smaller and smaller. Have not been used on a slide in the state of Florida like this before. So we're really excited to combine these elements into one great thrilling attraction. Now, as you get some pictures of the underside, we're going to take you up to to the tower, we'll talk a little bit about the raft, the riders, how the ride, and of course, up on top. It's going to bring you the entire project site. We have everybody? Okay. At the top of this tower, most of your traditional family rides have a start tub where it's filled with water, and riders have to climb into the raft that way. But this actually has what's called a launch conveyor, which is what I'm standing on right here. So this will actually make it very easy for guests that are standing pretty much where you guys are now to load up into the raft, and then we'll have a control operator who, when the ride is ready to dispatch, will send anywhere from 2 to 4 riders in a 78-inch round family raft down the slide to begin their adventure on Ray Rush. So, as I mentioned at the bottom, and you can probably hear me a little bit better now, these 3 unique features that I mentioned, the first one really starts with the Master Blaster feature. As soon as the riders dispatch from the tower here, those water jets are going to give them that sudden burst of acceleration to start them on their way down the slide. You can see as you make the first turn, you'll arrive at our 12,000-pound aquasphere. You can see that we have some fog effects inside. They're just really going to make that a neat experience. And this is translucent fiberglass, so as our riders are driving in off of International Drive and coming down the entry road, they'll be able to see the silhouettes of rafts and riders as they're going through the aquasphere and transitioning to the next part of the slide. So as you go down the slide further, you may be able to see them as you go down the tower. We have translucent shapes of manta rays. So as you're sliding down this slide, you're going to feel like you're racing with a school of manta rays above your head. And that's all done just with natural daylight and that translucent fiberglass that I mentioned. And then as riders transition past beyond that point, you can see where they'll drop into our open-air half pipe that resembles the shape of the manta ray. And as they oscillate and slide up and down the sides of this half pipe, really give them that thrilling feeling, they'll transition to that last part of the slide and have a sudden feeling of acceleration before they reach the catch pool at the bottom. So we're really excited about these 3 features being combined into one slide, and we think families are going to love it. The height requirement for this attraction is 42 inches, so very family friendly. And again, it just requires a minimum of 2 riders.